Oh, it's bright. It's my birthday. Normally it's like not that big of a deal, but you know, having a transplant 2 years ago just makes every birthday like so special. And I'm turning 36 today, and all the time before this I was just like, oh my god, I'm turning 36, I'm in my like late 30s. But then I woke up today and I was like, wow, to be honest, when I was like a teenager, I didn't even think I would make it to like 20. As sad as that is. So yeah, 36, man, hell yeah. Just keeps getting better, so yeah, I don't know. Hi.
In there? Yeah. He was telling me a certain trail though. There's not places though. Well, there's a lake that's like off the main path. You're not supposed to go off the trail, but you just go and then.
Is it gonna be cold? Is it gonna be
It's gonna be cold, okay?
Oh god, my hair.
We haven't even gotten on the ride yet. My hair's already fucked up. I know, fuck.
Damn it.
Hey, come back. Can you
Come
say
back,
it
can you repeat that actually?
He had a pan head, a shovel head,
an
Evo, an 03 something.
Oh, 103.
103. What is a 103?
It's like a
It's a lot.
30 miles or something. We're only in La Jolla.
La Jolla. Is this La Jolla? What the fuck?
We're all alone. Hell yeah. It's the best. With my new
riding,
parents.
was that on the Saturday?
Yeah.
Oh, my god. What year was that, you think?
84?
Okay. Oh,
That's so cool.
It's so
I rode
bad.
that panhead to the Dakotas
Yeah.
to go to Sturgis.
Fuck yeah.
But I'm not a big party guy. So
Yeah.
I hung out for a little while and left.
That's how we would be too.
Yes.
I'd be like, we gotta go.
Here's what I have left out of my collection. Still have.
Oh my god.
And then this is my 95.
Oh yeah.
And it's all built S&S.
Yeah.
I took it from an 84 to a 94.
Yep.
Okay. I'm building an Evo right now.
I
Yeah,
have an
like
Evo.
94.
You
Yeah.
need parts?
Probably. I don't know. Yeah.
My wife, I come home from a fly fishing trip. We're gonna go get a new bike. I go, well,
Yeah.
you got brand new mountain bikes. She goes, no.
She said, no.
She goes,
not
I'm
that
not
guy."
riding around on those uncomfortable bikes anymore. She goes, I'm 60 freaking years old.
Yeah.
We're gonna go get a new Harley. So I started arguing
You
with her.
married the right woman. You married the right woman. That's so funny. Bracelets. Oh, it's a watch.
And that
That's
watch
sick.
is so sick.
I'm building this welcome center for the reservation. Oh my god, dude, I have a freaking wall jewelry thing that I inherited from a lady that you taught Native American.
Oh my god, that's incredible. So cool.
Can I get a picture of it?
Yeah, go for it.
I took that to Montana. You don't want to haul ass in Montana. 2 of my buddies hit the same grizzly bear,
Oh my god.
killed them both. Stuff comes out in front of you like.
Damn. That a bear though?
Well, enjoy your ride.
Thank you.
Yeah, oh my god, thank you. That was cool.
That was fucking cool as
That was
hell.
super cool. I
Oh,
love
yeah.
that shit, and it wasn't weird.
No, he's like, I'm not a weirdo.
Yeah.
You're very
Oh
cute.
my god.
You're so cute, girl.
Patches.
It's your birthday,
Pretty good.
but is it?
I love how that's the sheriff's station.
I know. It's so cute.
Looks like a fake sheriff station, like in a movie.
Yep.
My bike off this fucking.
Yeah, just launch that bitch. fun.
Yeah.
Written all my life.
Really?
Yeah.
Take a picture of us on the film camera?
Do I trust this man?
Probably not.
I still have like almost a full tank. Somehow. I know, what the fuck?